Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a very easy clutch. It's very quick to make, so it's a great last minute project. What you'll need is this yarn from Katia. It's called Paparazzi and it's basically 3 strands combined to make 1 strand. You will also need crochet hook 8mm. You will need a back clasp and a chain which is about 100 centimeters. And you will need a tapestry needle. We will start by making a slip knot and we will need to leave a long tail end for later. We will chain 12. And then we are going to work a single crochet in each stitch and we skip the last chain. So in the second chain from the hook we will make a single crochet and in each chain across. At the end we will chain 1 and then we will turn our work and work a single crochet in each stitch. Now repeat this until row 20. So we chain 1, turn our work and work a single crochet in each stitch. Maybe give your hands a break every few rows because it's quite a heavy work. And at the end of row 20 we're going to turn our work and we will fold the clutch like this. And we are going to use this strand to seam this side. And we're going to use this strand to close this side. I'm gonna need approximately about this. So I will cut the yarn. So let's start with the easiest side, which is this one. It's easier to use the 3 strands separately. So I will cut the tape. Now I'm going to unravel the strands. So I'm just going back and forth like this. Here. And then here. Okay, like this. Eventually I will weave in this end on the inside of the bag. So I'll just go, let's see. And then later I will weave in this end on the inside. And then on the other side I will do the same. Almost there. Yep. And we will have to close this side, so I'm going to weave this thread all the way through there. So just like this. Almost there. Okay, I made it. And now we are going to close this side. Just going back and forth. And then I'm going to the inside for weaving in the end later. Okay, so now that we have closed the sides, you can go ahead and weave in the other end. And now it's time for the clasp. I am going to use this one. So just align the back, find the center in the 6th stitch, then attach the clasp here. Now push this one very tight. It needs to be secured very tightly. Like this. Then I'm going to attach this one. Find the center, which is about here. Then open this. And then on the inside, push this one through. And then you should be able to see the pins and fold them inwards. So now all you have to do is weave in those ends and attach the strap to the sides. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you're going to make this purse. Hope to see you next time. Bye!